Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all section breaks at once in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and we can see here many pages. Then go to the view menu and click outline view. Now we can see here two section break. Now we want to remove this section break. Use manually system or automatically. Now I use the manually. Double click on the section break, then press Ctrl, then again double click on the section break, then press delete on our keyboard and close the outline view. Now we can see we delete all section break at once very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.